immobiliser fit, and this is a DBX protected with a Starline immobiliser. So a thief got the key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle. It's just not going to start up, ignition's going to power up, but the car's not going to start. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop their code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3. We hear a disarm tone and we can start. Vehicle fires up, we can drive away. This customer's gone for the optional tag, so if we pop the battery in that, now with the battery in the tag, they can just have it in their pocket, get in and start the car. No need for a code, it disarms, they can drive away. They can also pair their phone to this, so if we just turn the Bluetooth on, with the phone in the vehicle, just get in, start up, fires into life and you can drive away. No need to put your code in, simple as that. Have your phone or have your tag and you can drive away. This is a Aston Martin DBX protected with a Starline. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.